Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get over caffeine withdrawal. To begin, consider a gradual reduction strategy. Instead of quitting cold turkey, slowly decrease your daily caffeine intake. For example, try cutting back by about 1/4 of your usual amount each week. This gentle approach helps your body adjust, making the process much more manageable and reducing the intensity of withdrawal symptoms. Next, focus on hydration and sleep. Drinking ample water is crucial, as dehydration can worsen headaches often associated with withdrawal. Also, prioritize getting enough rest. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. If you feel tired during the day, a short nap, perhaps 20 to 30 minutes, can provide a refreshing boost without disrupting your nighttime sleep. A healthy diet and gentle exercise can also make a big difference. Fuel your body with nutritious, balanced meals to help stabilize your energy levels. Incorporate light physical activity, such as a 30-minute walk each day. This can boost your mood and reduce fatigue. Try to avoid sugary foods as they can lead to energy crashes, making withdrawal symptoms feel worse. Finally, learn to manage specific withdrawal symptoms. For headaches, over-the-counter pain relievers can offer relief. If you experience irritability or anxiety, try relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. Remember, patience is key. Most people find that the worst of the symptoms, like fatigue and headaches, typically improve significantly within 7 to 10 days. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.